Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Django series. And today we're going to be implementing a decorator that is going to limit access. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. The dilemma is when we're logged out, with anybody logged out, they type this in, they get access to this page. And we want to start limiting access. If you're not logged in, if you're not a registered user, if you're not supposed to be here, we don't want you just being able to go to any page on the website. So this is how we control that. It's really cool. I hope you checked out yesterday's video about decorators, because you're going to really see an awesome implementation of a decorator and how clean and simple it is to protect a page. So, all right, let's see. Let's just go ahead and bring it in, because guess what? Django is taking care of all of this for us. So if you're new here, this is what we do. We do micro videos. Django.contrib.auth decorators import login required. So this is the decorator right here, and maybe when we get into more advanced stuff with decorators, I will show you how complicated this is, because this is actually going to take an argument. So it's actually a tripled layer. So you have a nested, so it is a double nested function. But for our purpose, we're just going to lay this. We're going to use our decorator, and let's see. All right, cool. You guys can see this, and it's login required, and then we pass in when you are not logged in and do not have access, where do you get sent? That's what we're going to pass it right now. So login URL equals, and we're going to send it to login. Close that out, save, not select all, save, and then we do the famous, all right, check, and I knew I should have copied this. There we go. Save. Everything in my being said, hey, copy that. You know you won't be able to spell it. All right. Actually, I was thinking about it. We're going to pull this up, and let's just look at it. All right. So here it is. So this is actually the function, and as you can see right here, it pulls in this function. User passes test function, login URL. Where are you going to send them back? And here is all. Do I have this sized right? Can you see all this? Yeah. Awesome. So this is actually the decorator, what we just brought in right here. And then, so I don't know. I just remember when I was learning all of this. Let's bring this up so you can see it. There we are. Login required. How much of this decorator? And you recognize this layout. All right, let's check. We got that set up. So let's head back over to, let's refresh. Boom. We get sent to the login. So each time we try to go here, we get sent back to the login. It's literally that clean, that simple, and that awesome. So this is a perfect example of a decorator to augment, to give restriction to. Because I know the first time I saw a decorator and other examples we had of, so there would be at times where you would want something capitalized or restricted. you lay on a decorator on top of your function, and web page direction is a perfect layout. And so you can have pages that they can get to, you can have pages that they can't get to, and there we go. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.